Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. Today is day 10 of our LeetCode 75 study plan, and today's problem is the move zeros. LeetCode number 283. Let's read the problem statement. Given an integer array nums, move all the zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero element. Note that you must do this in place without making a copy of the array. So basically in this problem we are given an array nums, and we need to move all the zeros to the end of the array while maintaining the order of the non-zero element. Like here I have the 0 1 0 3 12. I just take out this 1 3 12 at the front of the array, and their relative order must be the same, no change in this, and all the zero are the end of the array. So we have to do this in place, means no extra space we have to do. And also here you will see return word means do not return anything, modify nums in place instead. So let's write the code for this and understand this how we can solve it. So first make a variable insert position, and it start with from the 0. Actually this variable, this tells us where the next non-zero element should be go. Now start a for loop for let I equal to 0, I smaller than nums dot length I plus plus. I just start a for loop and it's moved from the 0 to nums dot length, and I check whether if nums of I is equal to 0, then continue, means there is no need to modify or change. Else if it is a non-zero, then make nums of insert position equal to nums of I, and also make it insert position plus plus. Means I just take out all the non-zero element at the front index by using this pointer, this insert position variable, this pointer that starts from the 0, and every time it plus plus means increment when I just place a the value at that position. Now if after this complete for loop completion, means if there are zeros left, then we have to move them also to the end of the array. For that, if insert position is smaller than nums dot length, then nums of insert position equal to 0. Means I have to just make it place the 0 here and also make insert position plus plus. And in last we do not have to return anything, it's clearly say return the void. So let's run this solution. What happened? Insert position is not defined, just a type of mistake I think. Okay, insert position, let me make it. Yes, these are the type of mistake. Let me run again. Yes, it accepted. Let's try to submit the solution. Yes, it passed all the 75 test cases and it's accepted. So basically, let me take an example, that is 0, 1, 0, 3 and 12. In the from the first for loop, when I just modify the array, I'm just modifying the array, I get as a result like 1, 3 and 12 by using this for loop. Means I just place all the non-zero element at the front index by using the that start from the 0th, and in every time it increment. And after that in the from the second for this while loop, I just make all the remaining element of this array by 0, and every time insert position plus plus. So in this problem we learn how to modify array in place. See, I'm not take any extra space. I means just it's a in place solution, and a two pass techniques means I use a two pointer approach, means this one is the first pointer and this I is the second pointer. And if you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to JDCodebase, follow along for the daily LeetCode problems. See you in the next video.